Hi, this is Jason Purr with Workflow Intelligence Nexus, and today I'm going to show you our new integration of Iconik with OpenAI's APIs. So what you can see is we're currently looking at this asset inside of Iconik at our AI summarization view. We have already run the transcriptions because we've run this workflow earlier, so we actually do already have our transcriptions, which are done by Iconik. And if I refresh this page, and again go down here to my AI summarization, we can see it is in fact still empty, just to make sure I'm showing you that these fields were not already filled out by anything else previously. So now to be able to get this information, what I'm going to do is come up here to the gear menu, and I'm going to come down and choose transcribe and summarize. So that's going to kick off the workflow. And if we jump over to the admin section here, we can see that the first thing that happens is it tries to run a transcribe job using, again, just the default Iconik transcription. We can see that that was skipped in this case because that transcribe has already happened. And then after that, it is now running an AI summarization job for this asset. So this is going to be an analyze job type. And if we jump in here, we can monitor the progress as we see this job progress. And there we go, just about a minute there, and that job is done. Now, if we jump back over to it, in our AI summarization view, we can now see a whole bunch of metadata. So we have an updated title in this case, the story behind the sriracha sauce shortage. Underwood Ranches and Hui Feng Foods. Cool. And we have a new summary. The transcript provides details about the relationship between Underwood Ranches and Hui Feng Foods, the shortage of sriracha sauce. All sounds pretty good. Short summary looks good. And we got a bunch of keywords in here. And we can see our overall summarization time was actually 24 seconds. And the token count is 3,194. That token count, for anyone not familiar, gives you an idea of what your OpenAI cost will be, which in this case would end up being less than about 8 cents, I believe, somewhere around there. Maybe even less than that. And this video is 13 minutes long. So less than a cent per minute is probably a pretty good way of looking at it. Now I think about it, at 13 minutes is even probably less expensive than that. This might be more like 3 or 4 cents. So if you have any questions on that, we're happy to jump in and help answer those. So this is what it looks like. And one other quick thing I'll show you is, why did we get these specific values, you may ask? And if I jump over to the admin section, this is really easy to configure. In our metadata fields, there's simply a field called AI prompts. On the left side, you can put whatever metadata field you would like to populate with a value coming from AI. And in the right side, you put the prompt you would like to send to the AI model to be able to generate that value. So in this case, we have things like the summary, the keywords, the title, the short summary. So for example, we'll just look at one of them. On the keywords, we say, based on the transcripts provided, provide a list of 10 keywords which would be most applicable for this client. I think I meant to write content in that case. I'll update that right now. And there we go. So if I wanted to change that, it's as easy as that. You can also copy and paste these out to a Word document or something so you can see it a little bit easier, and then just paste it back in here. Once you're done, you click update, and now there you have it. If you want to add a new prompt for a new metadata field, that's really easy as well. In that case, I'm going to come over here and go to my AI summarization view so I know where it's going. And I'm going to add a new field right here of what I want to have the prompt try and pick up. So maybe I'll say something like people. We'll see how AI does with this. And I'll keep it as a text field. And yeah, I'm going to just do that. Actually, I'm going to make it a large text field or a text area because there might be a lot of people in some of these videos. And I'm going to add that in. And now from there, I could then go ahead and just adjust my metadata field here for my prompts. I would put people, and now I could write a prompt of what kind of information I want to pull from my transcript to fill that out. So that's it. Let us know any questions, and hope you guys like it. Take care.